Mistake number 2, yung VAT input tax on capital goods. Yung capital goods, yun yung depreciable assets for income tax purposes na may estimated useful life na more than 1 year. The old tax rules natin for the recognition of the VAT input tax on capital goods is to spread, di ba? Spread or to amortize yung kanyang VAT input tax. Kapag ang accumulated acquisition cost exceeds 1 million pesos in particular month. Okay, spread mo yon. Pero pag di naman nag-exceed, pwede mo siya i-recognize fully or outright. But effective January 1, 2022, because of our train law and as clarified by the BIR through the issuance of the RMC 21-2022, meron na po tayong new recognition of the VAT input tax on capital goods. Yun yung i-recognize mo na o i-claim mo na lahat ng VAT input tax dun sa binili mong capital goods. Okay? Hindi mo na siya i-spread. Hindi mo na siya i-amortize. Beginning January 1, 2022 na purchases or importation ng ating capital goods. As clarified nga yan by the BIR issuance of Revenue Memorandum Circular number 21 series of 2022. So ano mangyayari ngayon kapag hindi mo siya ni-recognize lahat, hindi mo siya, ang ginawa mo, in-amortize mo pa rin kasi hindi ka updated o in-spread mo pa rin siya kasi hindi ka nga updated, hindi mo alam. Pwede pong i-disallow ng Bureau of Internal Revenue yung claim nyong VAT input tax based on the spread amortization. Okay? Pag na-audit kayo ng Bureau of Internal Revenue, kapag in-spread nyo yung VAT input tax nyo or in-amortize nyo for the acquisition or importations of the capital goods beginning January 1, 2022, i-disallow po yan ng BIR. Kapag disallow po ng BIR yan, kapag na-audit mo kayo, malamang lalaki yung VAT na babayaran nyo. So wala kasing legal basis yung spreading na or amortization of the VAT input tax based doon sa acquisitions or importations ng ating capital goods. So lahat siya, i-recognize mo na siya fully or outright doon sa ating quarter, kung kailan nating quarter siya na nabili. Okay? So beginning January 1, 2022 yan ha. Paano naman sir yung mga VAT input tax doon sa capital goods na nabili namin o na-import namin prior to effectivity of January 1, 2022? So sabi ng BIR doon sa RMC 21-2022, i-amortize nyo pa rin siya or i-spread nyo pa rin siya based on original schedule. Okay? Based on original schedule. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung spreading nun or amortization ng VAT input tax on capital goods that were purchased or acquired or imported prior to January 1, 2022. Okay? So effective lang po yung ating yung wala ng amortization o yung pag-recognize fully or outright ng ating VAT input tax on capital goods kung nabili natin siya effective January 1, 2022 and onwards because of our train do yan. Okay? Maliwanag po ba? So, mistake nyo dyan, ini-spread nyo pa rin siya even if nabili nyo yung capital goods natin, yung ating VAT input tax, ini-spread nyo pa rin kahit na nabili natin siya, nabili or na-import effective January 1, 2022 and onwards. Okay? Madi-disallow po yan ng Bureau of Internal Revenue kapag nire-recognize nyo pa rin siya through spreading. Okay? Naliwanag po ba?